Some information is important, some information is extra. This is important information. It tells us which monkey. This is extra information. We already know who Lola is. Use who for people. Use which for things. Use that only in defining sentences. Important or extra. Make it clear.